Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Find X5 with a very damaged display and the shiny back cover. So let's go fix it. So as you can see there, it's not really showing us anything. We're going to remove the back cover to start off this fix. And we're going to do this slowly. The only damaged part on this device is actually the display. So the back cover is, we're going to retain the beauty of this one, so to speak. I'm going to agitate the adhesive and slice through it. Slowly lift it up. And there you go. Quite easy. Next off, we're going to unscrew everything that's holding onto the cover for the daughter board and the main board. And we'll pull out this cover on the battery, over the battery. Remove the cover for the daughter board. And here we can see the connector for the display. So what we can do now is connect our replacement display and test it while the phone is partially disassembled. There you go. It's working. Also see the touchscreen, cameras, buttons are all working, so it's a good sign. David says so. Shut this down properly. Disconnect the replacement display and remove the board. Remove the SIM card tray so we can free up the connector for the display here. And now we can proceed to the front. We're going to remove the damaged display itself. I'm going to slice through it. You still have to be very careful not to rush this out. So same process with the back cover. So no need for us to, remove the battery on this one, because we only have the connector on the corner there. But the adhesive for the display is quite challenging to remove, so we'll spend more time agitating the adhesive. I'm gonna lift this up slowly. Cut through the adhesive. Lift it up. It's quite challenging, this part. We're gonna cut this off. And there you go. We'll put that to the side and clean up the housing with the residue from the old adhesive and put our fresh layer of liquid adhesive. It's kind of straightforward. We're gonna replace it with our brand new good and working front display. I'm gonna route the connector through the housing, position the display, and press it in. And then we're gonna focus our attention now on the reverse process, so to speak, of the daughter board. So we're gonna reinstall them, connect the display connector, replace the SIM card tray, cover, and screw them all back in. So if you have an Oppo Find X5 that needs a new display, new battery, new charging port, board, you know what to do. You can message us on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and if you're outside of Sydney, you can also send in your broken device and we'll fix it here in the shop. And once we're done with it, we're gonna send it back to you through mail. So we have offered the same service to many clients overseas, so you can be sure that we will do a good job. Just message David so you know what the deal is and instructions on what you can do. And this Find X5 is fine at last. David is approving the outcome, and that's it. Like and subscribe, guys. You can also leave a comment down below. As always, take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.